Hi everybody, it's Robin from Talks from the Heart. Well, I ended up ordering from Hobonichi. Yes, I did. I covered up my address with this Atlas Stationer's postcard that I got with my order. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to say it right out. I watch all the Hobonichi unboxings. I love them. They are the best time for me. And I'm also able to see a lot of things where I'm like, I don't know. Should I order that? Should I not? Okay, let's get my, I think I did that smoothly. So, how does this open? Okay. So I thought since I watch all these videos, I would put out a video showing my Hobonichi order. I am going to go quick. I am going to tell you there's nothing earth-shattering in this box. It's pretty basic, and we'll just go through it really, really quick. And I'll pull everything out. Okay. Yay, I got 2 pens. Woohoo! I really wanted the pen. I really, really love this combo. I'm going to take one to work and hoard one. And so that's the pen you get. I believe you get that when you order a planner. Okay, I'm going to try not to impale myself with that little knife. All right. So I got some kind of odd duck stuff. That's what I'm going to call it. A little bit of odd duck stuff. Okay, that's pretty cool. Get that all out. I'll recycle that. So let's just keep it informal. This is the Hobonichi Weeks that I got. I got 2 Hobonichi Weeks. I will go further into, the purple one is gorgeous. I love that. I will go further into how I'm going to be using these for 2024. These plastic things are awesome. I still have mine from last year. I'm going to save them because I do not want to throw them away. All right, so this is the Liberty Fabrics, the Emma and Georgina with the January start in the English. Ooh, this is gorgeous, you guys. Hello. The gold embossed Hobonichi on the back. This feels like butter. And then you've got the 2024 gold embossed here and then here. Super pretty. Not going to go into details. Ooh, this is pretty though. Man, this is super pretty. So, and then I got the lavender January start weeks, and I believe it's the English version. Yep. So I got the lavender. So I got 2 weeks. I got this cover, which is the purple with the tan inside. I'm not even going to take it out, you guys, because I'm going to keep it packed for right now. So this is for A5. Love it. And then I got the cover on cover because I do like to kind of protect this. Even though I think you could probably just, you know, if you stand it, it might wash off. I don't know. I don't want to take a risk. This was the cover that I love the most. I wish they would have had a pink with the tan. They seem to always have better covers for the A6 than they do the A5 or the Weeks. And I wish they would start ramping into these kind of covers with the Weeks. If they did, I think their sales would go through the roof. But, you know, they don't contact me for marketing, and I'm not on the top of the list. Oh, my goodness. All right. So this is cover on cover for the purple and tan. I don't know the official name for the A5. I love that. That's gorgeous. And then I also got 2 plastic covers for the Hobonichi Weeks, which I will use. Now, when I store my Weeks at the end of the year, I just keep the cover on it because I put vinyls on the top of it and everything. So, and these, you guys, these are so cheap. That's how they get you guys. That's how they get you. And then you end up with this big, I was going to say big ass order. It's a big ass order where you're like, I only needed a Weeks, and they get you with all that little stuff. Then I got this. I don't really use an A6 except for my sample book, and I have my Marie one from last year. But this color palette, this caramel with this gorgeous salmon pinky, got me. And I was texting Sarah Martinez back and forth, and I'm like, should I get it? Just get it. I'm like, oh, okay, I'm going for it. So I got a spare clear cover on cover for A6. Don't ask me why. And then I got this that's going to go on top of this. I think, I don't know. I'm not going to say because I'm still toying with the idea of just using an A6 at work. for my planner. And so I don't know. This will get used. Oh my gosh. Let's put this on, you guys. What is happening? This is so pretty with this. I'm not even going to try to attempt to tell you what this is. You just have to look for it on the website. I know and it's not, I'm being lazy, you guys. And I'm sure somebody's going to comment below the name of it, which would be great because then none of us have to look it up or, yeah. So has the little markers. I hate these things and I always cut them off, but I don't know. You guys. Okay, let's turn it over. What? Oh, I didn't even think this through when I bought it. I just like this and I thought I'm going to get something interesting. I always get the plain and I'm going to get something interesting. And you guys, look at the tan, how it picks up. So pretty. And there's just enough pink right here to pull in the, oh, and there's pink here and then some here. So there's just enough. Well, even the bear's paws are pink to pull in the salmon pink. And then when you close it, you get this and it pulls in all that caramel, that tan brown. Oh, I love this so much. Oh, this is going to be super fun to use. Okay, and then I got, because it sucked me in, I got this pencil board. And I'm one of these consumers where I'm just like, oh, pretty flowers, and then I just buy it. I don't really memorize the name. I'm super sorry. But I got this pencil board. Love it so much. And then the back is purple. And I thought it would go really, really nicely with this one or even this one. Look at that. So beautiful. Okay, that's it, you guys. I told you it wasn't earth-shattering. I'm going to put this back in the plastic because I am storing my 2024 stuff kind of in a nice, neat pile. And then I'll be doing a video soon of all of my lineup. So this is super fun. I'm excited that I decided to order this year. I wasn't going to. And then I thought, no, I want my weeks. And I want them now. All right. I'm going to put it all back together. Take a photo for the thumbnail and go have some supper. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and always enjoy today. Bye, everybody.